Okay, now we're going to have a look at the first four movements of the form, which is your Bong Sao and your knife hand put together. So you start in a square stance with your guard up like so. In the first move, I'm just going to turn to the side and I'm going to Bong Sao, lifting my elbow and dropping my wrist with my palm facing away from me. I keep this rear hand up to protect me and to get ready for the next movement. I'm then going to do this circling move where I bring my front hand in towards my chest and it comes over the top and then strikes towards my opponent at this downward angle like so. I then switch my guard to the other side and I turn again, keeping the elbow high up, dropping the wrist like so, palm facing away from me, and my rear hand is up here. I'm then going to circle my arm in, up and over, and then strike again with this outside knife hand. So that's the first four moves. Again, I go 1, circle up and over, 2. I swap my arms over, then 3 to the other side, and 4. Okay, last time. 1, 2, swap, 3, and 4. See how you go.